Hi everyone, if you get more than 2 drinks at a fast food place, you're probably going to get one of these. These are drink holders, and I'm going to use 2 of them for a little project. So I'm going to turn these 2 drink holders into a 2-layer caddy or organizer where you can put jewelry, you can put small art supplies, you can put snacks. You basically could put whatever you think of inside. So this recycle project is going to hopefully end up looking so cute that people may say, hey, where'd you get that? I've never seen that before at a store. So let's get started, and I'm just using some basic items. First, this is just stuff that I got at a fast food place. Then I'm going to use some old fabric from a dress that my daughter outgrew. Then I'm going to use some decorative paper to hide that this was a cardboard drink holder. And if you don't have decorative paper, you can even use some old fabric. And since I was thinking about this project when I was at the store the other day, I picked up a few little flowers to attach to this for decoration. So let's get into this project, and to hold everything together I will be using my hot glue gun. look, this is how it used to look, these things. And this is how it looks now. This is also like can be a cute tea basket. You put all your teas and hot cocos inside. It can also turn it into like a snack tray. Like there's all the chocolates and jellies and cookies.
Thank you, Mom.
Thanks for watching, everybody.